Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K. K. Misra. In view of the scheduled examinations to be held in the month of September 2020 for MBA final year students, I have compiled multiple choice questions on marketing of services. It is not only Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, but many other Indian universities have decided to hold examinations for MBA final year students and students of some other disciplines. It is expected that multiple choice question may be one of the patterns to adopt in the examinations in such patterns. This is why I have compiled multiple choice questions MCQ on marketing of services. One of the subjects has been taught in MBA final year currently in the course of the university. Four video tutorials I have compiled. In each video tutorial you will get a set of 30 multiple choice questions. I have tried my level best to cover the entire syllabus and the questions I have tried to put in a different manner. So let us directly come to the questions and their choices. Question number first. This slide contains four questions. Question number first is A blank is a form of product that consists of activities, benefits, or satisfactions offered for sale that are essentially intangible and do not result in the ownership of anything. Options are service, B demand, C need, D physical object. Here, correct answer is A service. Also, let me tell you that the correct answers are have been highlighted here in the options. Now, go to question number 2. Distinct characteristic of service is A. Intangibility, B. Inseparability, C. Variability, D. Perishability. So here correct answer is intangibility. Question number 3. All of the following are examples of services except A. Banking, B. Hotels and motels, C. Tax preparation, D. Computer software. So obviously it's D. Computer software. Question number 4. Services are typically produced and consumed simultaneously. This is an example of the blank characteristics of services. So options are A. Intangibility, B. Variability, C. Inseparability, D. Simultaneously. So correct answer is C. Now move to next slide. Question number 5. Services cannot be stored. This describes the gap characteristics of services. Options here are A. Intangibility, B. Variability, C. Inseparability, D. Inconsistency. Correct answer is inconsistency. 6. Examples of pure tangible goods include all of the following except A. Soap, B. Tax preparation, C. Toothpaste, D. Salt. Correct answer is B. Tax preparation. Question number 7. Gap describes the employee's skills in serving the client. Options are given here. A. Internal marketing, B. External marketing, C. Relationship marketing, D. Interactive marketing. Correct answer is interactive marketing. Question number 8. SSTS refers to A. Service standards testing, B. self-service technologies, C. Standard service technologies, D. Self-service treatments. Correct answer is self-service technologies. Question number 9. Gap occurs when a company intentionally uses services as the stage and goods as the props to engage individual customers in a way that creates a memorable event. Options to this question are A. Hybrid offer, B. Core service, C. Augmented or ancillary service product, and D. Experience. Correct option is D. Experience. Now move to next slide. Question number 10. Top firms audit service performance by collecting dash measurements to probe customer satisfiers and dissatisfiers. Options are A. Customer satisfier, B. Customer complaint, C. Voice of the customer, D. Psychological. Correct option is C. Voice of the customer. Question number 11. The services a customer expects are called the gap service package. Options here are A. Expected, B. Augmented, C. Primary, D. Secondary. So here correct answer is C. Primary. Question number 12. The fact that business traveler may have one very positive check-in experience at a hotel and then very negative check-in experience with a different employee on a subsequent visit is evidence of service. Options are A. Tangibility, B. Inseparability, C. Variability, D. Perishability. Correct option is C. Variability. 13. Added features to an offering are called dash service features. A. Expected, B. Augmented, C. Primary, D. Secondary. Correct option is D. Secondary. Question number 14. The intangibility of services has implications for those choices of options A. Brand elements, B. Location, C. Price, D. Product features. So correct option here is A. Brand elements. Question number 15. Gap cost refers to the product's purchase cost plus the discount cost of maintenance and repair less the discounted salvage value. Options are A. Total, B. Variable, C. Life cycle, D. Net. It is the life cycle. Question number 16. Successful service companies focus their attention on both their customers and their employees. They understand dash which links service firm profits with employee and customer satisfaction. Options are internal marketing, service profit chains, interactive marketing, service differentiation. So correct answer is B. Service profit chains. Question number 17. If a firm is practicing dash, the firm is training and effectively motivating its customer contact employees and all of the supporting service people to work as a team to provide customer satisfaction. Options are double up marketing, internal marketing, interactive marketing, service marketing. Correct option is B. Internal marketing. Question number 18. According to Parasuramam, Jitmal and Berry, the most important determinant of service quality is responsiveness, reliability, assurance, empathy. So correct answer is B. Reliability. The extended marketing mix for services includes people, process, and options are product, place, physical evidence, and D. Promotion. So options here, correct option is C. Physical evidence. Which of the following is not an element of physical evidence? Employee dress, employee training, equipment, and facility design. So it is employee training is the correct option. Next. Question number 21. Which of the following is not an element of people? Motivation, teamwork, flow of activities, and customer training. Correct option is flow of activities. Question number 22. Standardized and customized flow of activities, simple and complex number of steps, and customer involvement by which a service is delivered is called options place mix, physical evidence mix, process mix, people mix. So it is basically C, process mix. Question number 23. Gap is the environment in which the service is delivered and where the firm and customer interact and any intangible components that facilitate performance or communication of the service. Options here are physical evidence, process, place, people. Correct option is physical evidence. Question number 24. All human actors who play a part in service delivery and thus influence the buyer's perceptions, namely the firm's personnel, the customer, and other customers in the service environment. Options are process, physical environment, people, and place. Correct option is C, people. Question number 25. DIAS is a tool for simultaneously depicting the service process, the points of customer contact, and the evidence of service from the customer's point of view. Options here are front of planning, service blueprinting, service standardization. None of these. So correct option is service blueprinting. Next slide. 26. DIAS is the physical surroundings or the physical facility where the service is provided, delivered, and consumed. So from among the options available like service space, service escape, service place, service scope. Correct option is service escape. Question number 27. DAS are the only service distributors which do not require direct human interactions. A. Electronic channels. B. SSTs. C. Direct service channels. D. Speculative. Correct option is electronic channels. Question number 28. In the absence of a physical product, service providers need to consider the use of DAS that enable customers to make a judgment on the service quality. Options available are intangible clues, tangible clues, blueprint, and performance. Correct option is B, tangible clues. Question number 29. Compared with low contact services, customers of high contact services are more likely to judge service quality on the basis of A. Price of the service. B. Process used in the carrying out of the service. C. Intangible outcomes, for example, the performance of an investment portfolio, etc. And D. Tangible outcomes. Correct option is B. Processes used in carrying out the service. Question number 30. Which of the following is not generally accepted as being part of the extended marketing mix for services? So here, correct option is D from among as A, B, C, product, price, and process respectively. Correct option is D. So for any other queries, you can contact to our classes at gmail.com. More video tutorials on quantitative techniques, operations research, interview questions, and developing personality and soft skills are available on my YouTube channel or classes. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Thank you.